let's talk about something that might surprise a few people. Why is web design still a goldmine in 2025? With all the AI tools, drag and drop builders, and templates out there, why would anyone still pay top dollar for a custom website? Here's the truth. Websites are more essential now than ever. But the game has changed. It's no longer just about having a pretty page online. It's about creating a strategic, conversion-driven digital experience. And that's where real designers come in. Let's start with the obvious. The digital economy is exploding. More businesses are launching online every single day. Local businesses are realizing they need to modernize to survive. Creators are launching brands. Service providers are moving remote. And they all need websites that work, not just ones that exist. And here's the catch. Most business owners don't have the time, skills, or desire to figure this stuff out. They'll gladly invest in someone who can make them look professional, connect with their customers, and actually generate leads or sales. That someone is you. Even with AI tools, the demand for human-driven strategy is growing. AI can assist, but it can't replace the creativity, problem-solving, and nuance of a great designer who understands business. Think about it. Anyone can generate a basic homepage with AI, but aligning it with a brand's voice, understanding user flows, creating trust, and optimizing for conversions, that's not plug and play. In fact, your value as a designer is going up, not down, because your role is evolving. You're not just a designer anymore. You're a strategist, a problem solver, a digital partner. And let's talk money for a second. Businesses are willing to invest thousands, sometimes tens of thousands, for websites that deliver results. And when you layer in add-on services like SEO, monthly maintenance, content updates, or e-commerce integrations, your income becomes predictable and scalable. That's why web design isn't just a service, it's a business model, one that can grow with you. In 2025, people care about credibility and first impressions. If a site looks outdated or isn't mobile optimized, users bounce fast. A slow-loading, confusing, or generic site can cost a business real money. That's a pain point you're solving, and pain points are profitable. Now, pair that with the freedom this field offers. You can work remotely, set your own rates, choose your clients, specialize in niches you care about. Whether you want to freelance, build an agency, or combine web design with another skill set like branding, copywriting, or marketing, web design gives you the foundation to do that. So if you're wondering whether this skill is still relevant, let me reassure you. It's not just relevant, it's essential. And you're not late, you're right on time. The need is huge. The competition? Most of them aren't running real businesses. They're just hobbyists or overwhelmed freelancers. That's your edge. In this course, I'll help you bridge that gap from skilled designer to confident business owner so you can take full advantage of this opportunity. Let's keep going. Click next and I'll show you how to shift your mindset from freelancer to entrepreneur.